This logo you are seeing here was created with an AI. Even this one you are seeing here, all this logo you are seeing, all these things, designs you are seeing, we are created with an AI. And you too can also do it with your smartphone. You guys are highly welcome. I believe coming in here, you are ready to learn on how to create your own design with this particular AI that I have found out that have been doing marvelous work, that have been helping me to get some jobs done. People do come to me for graphics. I'm a graphic designer as well. People do come to me for a graphic design, and since I discovered this AI, it has been helping me. So I have decided to break the silence because I have some other jobs I do, and I have not been meeting up with targets. I've not been meeting up with demands. I'm into CAC racing businesses, so that one alone is fetching me a lot of money. So I decided to break a silence so that I will give my people the easiest way to get their own business. They can also turn it. You can also turn it to your own business as well. You can also turn it as a business. So let's just go straight to my phone. My phone screen will pump up here. My phone screen will pump up here. Let me just it will start showing on the screen, on the top of the screen here. Just follow the process I'm going to show you. So this is for your phone. This is your phone now. Make use of phone. We are now in that AI. Some of you might have known it, but don't know that this AI can do marvelous work for you. It can help you to reduce some stress in jobs when it comes to designs. You can use it as a YouTuber. You can use it to design your YouTube thumbnail. You can use it to design your YouTube logo. You can use it to design your YouTube banner. Anything at all. As a Amazon KDP, a book publisher, you can use it to design a professional book cover. You can use it to design a professional book cover. So let's just go straight. What you're going to do here, you click on this plus sign, it will take you inside. You click on it. Okay, here we are. Now what are we going to create? I want to create a business logo. I'll use my own business. Yes, I'll create another logo for my own business. Like I have so many business, Benny Consult, listening business, as in business that's working with CAC, because I'm also a business consultant, registering business, and I also have Benny Tech. That's my YouTube channel. Benny Tech Dynamics. That's my name on YouTube channel. I also have a Benny Aluminium Construction Company. I own a company offline. That's one of the business I do offline. So let me use Benny Farm. I also have a piggery farm. Yeah, don't be surprised. We are here for ourselves. Nobody is helping us. So by the grace of God, we are venturing into businesses, and by the grace of God, it's really working for us. So let me give it a prompt. Create a business. Create a business logo for my farm business. Have it in mind. I am so specific in writing it. You are just discussing it as you are talking with a human being. Create a business logo. We want to create a logo, and for my farm business, that farm business, as you specified what your business is. If you are into clothing business, you say for my clothing business, it's for your YouTube channel, and your YouTube channel is for news. You say for my news channel. Just be as in specific in giving this AI a prompt. That's when you to give you marvelous work. For my farm business, you put full stop. Then you come here, write business name. Then you write down your business name. I'm writing in capital letter. Benny Farm, as you can see. And coming down to this place, this one is magic prompts. As you can see here, this one is magic prompts. Leave it at auto. This one is aspect ratio. You can see is at 9.16. For logo, we put it at 1.1, and with this visibility here, leave it at public. So you click on 1.1, it will now change to 1.1 because this is a logo. Logo is a square shape. So you click on generate. You click on generate. Let's allow this AI to generate this design for us. Let's allow this AI to generate this AI for us. Wow. Wow, this is so marvelous. This is so marvelous. Wow, 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 wow. How many minutes will it take you to design this as a graphic designer? Just tell yourself the truth. How many minutes will it take you to design this graphics for yourself? How many minutes? But this AI will just do it as fast as possible. The reason why it delays because of maybe network, because it has been slow this time around. So wow, as you can see, wow, look at, wow, this is marvelous. This is marvelous. This is marvelous. And if you want to, if you want to do a retouch on it, you can now take it to Canva and now redesign it. But this is just marvelous work. Okay, assuming that you don't like this particular one it gives you, you don't like this particular one it gives you, you can still click on generate again. It will regenerate another one for you. Okay, let me create a what is it called, a YouTube thumbnail. Let me create a YouTube channel, a thumbnail, or should I create a banner? Let me create a YouTube banner. Let me use another prompt. Let me give you another prompt. Just talk to this AI as if you are talking to human being, as you are having conversation with human being. Yes, because this is AI, artificial intelligence. Yeah, give me a YouTube channel, YouTube banner. Sorry, give me a YouTube banner for my news channel, full stop. My news channel, full stop. Then okay, let me say for my news channel called Benny Food. Called Benny Food. Let me just put it like this. Remember what I told you here. Still leave it at auto. As you can see, this one is YouTube channel. This shape is for Facebook and TikTok. Why this one is what is it called, logo, and this one is for YouTube. Yeah, this is a YouTube shape. So what you're going to do, click on this 16.9, you click on it and also leave it at public. Then you click on generate. Click on generate. You can see the shape has changed. The shape have changed. The shape have changed. Let's allow you to load. Let's allow you to give us the beautiful design ever. These ones you are seeing here is the ones that other people are doing. People like you, they are also doing it. It's taking time to okay. Wow, 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 what a beautiful, I love this one most. What a beautiful design ever. Wow, 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 just imagine the beautiful design this AI gives us. All of us know how much it will cost you to get the design, but have it in mind that this AI have a subscription plan. Ideogram have a subscription plan where you can subscribe. You can subscribe and be having some other premium features. But for this particular one, I'm using free plan. I didn't subscribe to anything. I'm using free plan, and this free plan you are only permitted to design 10 designs in a day. 10, just 10 times in a day, in 24 hours, 10 times. Should I tell you the secret what I do? I register with different email. Yes, I register with, you just imagine registering with 5 emails. That means I have 50. free in a day, in 24 hours 50 in a day. So you too can do the same. I'm not the one that tell you, I'm not the one that tell you, but you too can also do the same. Yeah, that's how I do my own thing. So this is how to design. If you want to design a book cover as well, if you want to design a book cover, for those of us using it for our book cover, let me I say that you wrote a book concerning that related to kids, related to kids, as in children book. So you write here, create. You can give it your own prompt, but make sure that your prompt is being specific. You are telling him exactly what you need, because if this AI didn't give you exactly what you need, that means your prompt is not okay. Create me a let me say professional book cover for my kids book, comma, or let me say full stop, titled title let me say help me to grow, full stop. The author's name, don't forget to write the author's name, input the author's name as well. Author, let me use my name, Ben Power. Okay, you come to this aspect ratio, you click on this 9.16. yeah, this is a shape for the book. You click on this 9.16, then you click on generate. Let's wait for it. Just come down. You can see the shape have changed already. That's one magic about this AI. This AI will give you the best you will ever. That's one magic about this AI. Just wait for it. Wait for it to do his work, because he's doing the design for us. He will go to this place, gather information, and combine it together and give us exactly what we want. Let's wait for it. It's coming up. As you can see, the generation process have started counting 46. And here we are. Here we are. Here we are. Wow. 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 Help me to grow. You can see the author's name, Ben Power. Help me to grow, Ben Power. Wow. 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 What a beautiful design. I just fall in love with this design, honestly. Wow, let me download this one. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, honestly. This is beautiful. This is amazing. You too can also do the same. So this is just how to get it done. So go ahead and do your own. And the name of that AI is Ideogram. See you in my next video.